Hey, it's Miles Bars. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking an ancient Greek dish called Psari Plaki. Psari is a Greek word for fish, and Plaki is a Greek word for baked.
For baked.
Our ingredients for today is fish.
What kind of fish is this?
Codfish.
Codfish, yep.
Codfish. And then we're going to be using extra virgin oil, olive oil.
Yeah.
Whole tomato, lemons, garlic cloves, and onion.
You remember what this is?
No.
Starts with a P?
Parsley.
Parsley.
Parsley. I'm gonna be using cumin, paprika, and orgean leaves. Oregano. With a teaspoon. Now we're going to be cutting our lemon.
Away from you. Nice job. And what's that going to do to the fish?
I'm going to get rid of the smell. I almost forgot to pre-cook the oven.
Okay.
Now we're going to cut our onion and our garlic cloves.
I always want to pay attention which way that blade's going, right, Miles?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good cut.
Now we're going to do our garlic cloves. My dad taught me how to just press down on it. Here's our garlic cloves. Wait.
There you go. Put your weight behind.
Now, also, my dad taught me to get a big knife, put the garlic clove under, and press down.
What does that do? Remove the skin?
That removes the skin easily.
Aye.
Now we're gonna get 3 or 4 cloves, and we should be good.
What's wrong with you, Miles? Why are you crying?
Onions.
You get some upsetting news? It's the pain of cooking, right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, so what are you going to do with these garlic cloves?
We're gonna chop them up
What's
to get all
another
the
word for that?
flavor. Mincing.
That's right. So how do you do this?
You just wanna go little at a time.
Good job.
Now once we're done cutting our garlic, we're gonna scoop it up carefully. Put it in our bowl.
That's what I'm talking about. Always remember where that blade is, right, bud?
Yep. So we're not ready for these yet, but we're just gonna prep them now.
Got an injury.
Me fail English? That's
Miles,
impossible.
show Mr. McLaurin what happened. Let me take a look. Ooh, opening those whole tomatoes. Sliced his thumb.
Don't put that on the video.
Oh, I definitely am.
Extra virgin olive oil, smooth.
Okay. Nice. Close to the spoon. Do it again. One more.
Now we're gonna add our onions and let them caramelize.
Oh yeah, sizzle, baby. Okay, you ready for some garlic?
Yeah.
Throw that up.
Now we're gonna add our whole tomatoes. And we're gonna start crushing them slowly.
What would you say it smells like the most?
Like garlicky, probably.
Yeah, that onion and garlic combination is good.
My dad's going to add this awesome sauce to our fish and let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Why are we putting it from this pan to this glass container?
So we can put it in the oven.
Oven safe, that's right. Ooh, man, that smells good.
My dad is going to put the fish into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're gonna get started on our rice and then put some water for our corn. For final touches, we're gonna squeeze 1/2 a lemon and put parsley on.
What do you think? Is this going to be a B tasting dish or an A tasting dish?
A.
Okay. Miles is predicting the future over here. All right, Miles, first bite. Let's go. Be honest.
Solid 8.5.
Okay, 8.5.